So class 10 children, we have begun a chapter similar triangle. So today I will do second example for you. So in the given figure, XY is parallel to BC. And now given that AX is equal to 3, AX is 3, BX is 1.5, this is 1.5, and BC is 6. Write down the value of XY. So we have to find the value of XY. Same diagram I made here, and I wrote the respective values. And this is parallel to this. XY is parallel to BC. Now, as you all know, you have to find XY. So you have to find XY. This portion we have to find. So now let us begin. In triangle ABC, the larger triangle ABC, and triangle AXY, the smaller triangle, given that XY is parallel to BC. XY is parallel to BC. Next, angle BAC is equal to angle XAY. BAC and XAY. That means BAC angle A, XAY also angle A. Both these angles, angle A is common in both the triangle. Angle ABC is equal to angle AXY. That is corresponding angle, because when these two sides are parallel to each other, this particular angle is called corresponding. Even this and this angle also is called corresponding. But if we can prove that two pair of angles are equal, then automatically the two given triangles will be similar to each other by angle-angle axiom, which I have explained yesterday. So whenever two triangles are similar to each other, this particular proportional formula comes. That is, from the name itself, if we take AB, we have to take AX. AB by AX equal to BC by XY and AC by AY. So that same thing I wrote here. And now AB value is 1.5 plus 3, because we have to add this both the numbers to find the value of AB. AX is 3, you can see the diagram. BC by XY, BC is 6, XY is XY, not given. We have to find XY. And this nothing is given from this part. So we understand the part which is not given, we don't take in the next step. Only the given part we take. So here we have to take first and second expression. Suppose if this part is given and the middle part is not given, then we should not take middle part in the next step. So but here we will take this and this part. So that same part I wrote here. Now XY will multiply with 4.5 and 3 will multiply with 6. And after that 4.5 will come and divide here. So XY becomes alone. And now XY equal to this 45 we write here, and for this decimal we write 10 on the top. So after cancellation, our XY value is 4. So this is the way we get the value of XY. One more example I want to explain you all. Same question, but here we have to find CM. That means this is CM. We have to find this portion. Rest what is given? LM is parallel to BC. AL is 2 and AB is 6. This is all given in the question. AB is 6, AL is 2. Whatever given in the question, I am writing same thing here in the diagram. And AC is 9. So I wrote here. We have to find CM. So now, same way, I will take these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ALM. So in these two triangle, first we will write this is given LM is parallel to BC. It is given in the question. Here it is. LM is parallel to BC. Same thing I write here. It is given. Next, common angle. Angle A is common. So taking angle A at the middle, angle BAC is equal to angle LAC. Same thing, common angle. Angle ABC equal to angle ALM, because when there is parallel sides, it will be corresponding angle. That is this angle and this angle. This is common and these two angles are corresponding. And then we can say these two triangles are similar by angle-angle axiom. And whenever they are parallel, when the two triangles are similar to each other, this formula of proportionality comes, and that comes with the help of name itself. AB by AL equal to BC by LM and AC by AM. Same thing I write here. After writing that, we put the respective value. AB is 6 as given in the diagram. AL is 2 given in the diagram. BC by LM not given, nothing in the given in the diagram, nothing given in the question. AC by AM, AC is 9, AM is unknown. So we have to take the two pairs which are given. Unknown part we will not take. So here we will take first and third expression. After that we will find the value of AM. Finally AM is 3 centimeter. But here question is not AM. We have to find the value of CM. So, but here unfortunately we got AM. But no issue. AM will help us to find CM. How? Now you see, AM we got, AM is 3 and AC is 9. So we can say CM will be the whole 9 minus 3. That means AC minus AM is equal to CM. So CM will come by having all this value and subtracting this particular value, we get the value of CM. Same thing, CM equal to the whole AC minus AM. So 9 minus 3, that means 6 centimeter. So technical part. So children, see this video and try to answer the question given by me as homework. Thank you.